Beam angle can significantly impact your landscape lighting installation. But the days of buying specific beam angle lamps are over. AMP is proud to introduce the AMP exclusive innovation, the adjustable beam angle lamp. These lamps come with a built-in mechanism that allows you to easily change the beam spread by simply rotating the lens. For example, you may want to narrow the beam angle to focus illumination on open spaces between windows, or widen it to illuminate a larger feature such as a tree canopy. Beam angle options include 20-degree narrow, 40-degree flood, and 60-degree wide flood. These innovative lamps are offered in MR16 as well as MR11, with multiple color temperatures to choose from. With these beam spreads offered in one lamp, the worry of wondering if you're purchasing the correct beam spread for a particular landscape lighting application is over. Shop now at amplighting.com.